Now here we need to make as a fraction, right? Now already this is a mixed number and this is a percentage sign now here. So we need to make this is a fraction but in simplest form. That's the thing. Okay, now here percentage sign very important. Remember what the percentage mean over 100 normally out of 100 percentage mean if you write now this thing what the 12 half over 100. That's the idea, no? Right? This is a very simple question. We have learned this very simple thing. Now this mixed number, let's we convert first of all into improper fraction. You know that 2 into 12, this 2 multiply and add 2 into 12, 24. 2 into 12, 24. 24 plus 1 means 25. So here will be 25 over 2. This denominator will come here. Over 100, right? This is the idea, no? I mean, this percentage mean whatever thing you have here doesn't matter over 100, right? Then this is convert to 25 over 2. This is mixed number. We convert to improper fraction. Then now here we know this is already a fraction. Now this meaning whether 25 over 2 divide by 100, no? That's the thing, no? Here idea is this one divide by 100. That's the idea, no? Here now maybe you will feel what to do here. Division, here there's no denominator, so we can think here 1. Now this division sign we change to multiplication and you should get the reciprocal of this. You should get the reciprocal of this. So here will be basically numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. So here 1 over 100 like this. Here numerator is 100. Now I go to denominator. Now this is the idea. Now you can simplify here. Now 25 and 100 you can cut. How many 25 are there in 25? 1. How many 25 are there in 100? It is 4. So here then after you can't simplify, so then 1 into 1 1, 2 into 4 8. So this is the answer for that simplified form of this one. Simplified form is this, right? That's the thing. It's a very basic question.